back to another exciting day with Cooking with the Robies. Today I'm going to be making some homemade chicken noodle soup. Everybody's catching a little cold right now, so this will go in your stomach, warm you up, and get you some sleep. Okay, so I'm going to be using 3 sticks of celery, 2 carrots, half of this cabbage. I got 4 chicken thighs. They were bone in, I just deboned them. And then I got some extra white egg noodles. We're gonna put all this together and make a gorgeous, thick and hearty chicken noodle soup. From our kitchen to yours. All right, let's get going. Let's get ready to prep. Okay, so we're gonna start with the carrots here. We're gonna get these nice and chopped up. And let's get our celery down. Same thing with these, just now. And now for the garlic. Oh, there we go. No, it works better than that. I'm wondering what's going on. Give them a nice little chop, and they look ready. Now I'm gonna put these in here because I'm not gonna cook these at the same time as the carrots and the celery. These will go in. The garlic will go in the same time that I'm putting the shredded cabbage in there. All right, let's get to the next step. And I almost forgot my onion. But this is a medium-sized yellow onion. Just gonna get that sliced up. onions, along with our carrots. And celery. I got a few pieces of cabbage in there, but oh well. Didn't want to be doing a lot of dishes, so stuck everything in the same bowl. Gonna give these a stir. Let those go for a minute. I'm going to add in my cabbage. And then we're going to put in the garlic. Okay, put in the garlic here. Then we're going to add in our chicken broth. Give that a little stir. And I'm going to add the last chicken broth. I bought 2 of them. Give that a nice little stir. Now I'm gonna add my these are skin on, so it's gonna add a lot of flavor to this broth. All right, let's get the top on. All right, let's get the top on. It's on medium. Let me double check. Yeah, got it on medium. And we're going to check back in 20 minutes and see where we're at. Okay, so I added a little salt and pepper. You do that to your taste. And I'm going to let it cook for another 20 minutes, so total 45 minutes, because I want my my carrots to be not crunchy, but not mushy, if that makes sense. But it's looking good. It's looking good. It's coming just how I expected. I got my water going over here for my noodles. The noodles only take like 10 minutes to cook, so I'll do those when I get to the 10-minute mark of the second 20 minutes that I added to the ingredients for the chicken noodle soup. Okay, everything's done. What I'm going to do at this point is take my chicken thighs out. I put 4 in here, so I'm trying to get 4 out. Where's that last one at? There we go. Okay, got them out over here. Just gonna bring these on over to the table here. Okay, I got the skin off. Now we're just gonna shred this up. You can do it ever how you want to do it. You can use a knife. Ooh, had to let it cool off a little bit. But some nice little chunks. Ooh, this is hot. And this whole meal is a total of about 45 minutes. Said the first, I put 25 minutes, but then I realized that at 25 minutes my carrots were still hard. So, we got this all torn up. I'm gonna add this back to our chicken. All right, noodles are done. Gonna get those all mixed up in here. Oh, gotta let some of that steam go out of there. Right now it looks like a really nice chicken soup. But I got my chicken out because I wanted to get the skin off and dice it up, and then that's gonna go in here also. Okay, now we're gonna add our chicken back into the rest of it. Get this all stirred up. Looks delicious. Okay, now we gotta taste it. There we go. Nice plate. And my daughter's actually going to eat that. And yeah, that is it. Yeah, boy. Now, on my next one that I'm going to do, my next video, I'm actually going to make the noodles from scratch. And I'll show you that one. So you stay tuned, and the next noodle video I do, that's going to be homemade noodles. All right. Thank you for watching. I'd love if you guys would hit that like notification. Subscribe to our channel so that you'll be notified of the next video. And I hope you love this one. This was an easy one. 45 minutes. You can knock off probably 10 minutes. Should have been 35 minutes if you used noodles from scratch. All right. Thanks for watching. Good night. See you on the next one.